What is up, guys? We got another box opening. I broke down and actually bought one of the Series 1s. Just because if you look, I mean, this is just, these boxes are perfect. So, you can get no shacks in this one, but you can find multiple different kinds of Jordans. So, that's a plus. There's a Scottie Pippen series, 92-93 Flair Ultra Series 1. A lot of Scottie in this box. Like a ton. So let's just go ahead and dive into it. And the one thing I have noticed, I've opened a couple of the Series 2. If you've been watching, make sure you like, subscribe. But you know, nothing's been bricked together really bad. Did have kind of a couple rough moments where just all the cards, you know, I was looking for kind of, we were on the back side, getting nicked up, dinged up, which is kind of, you know, disheartening. But we're looking for a couple cards here. Obviously, we're looking for anything Michael Jordan related. And we are looking for one rare card. It's in every 3,000 packs is a Scottie Pippen autograph. But still neat cards, kind of throwback. I remember opening these when I was a kid, you know, so we are just going to dive. I'm just going to start kind of putting some piles here. Oop, move my Josh Allen back. Good luck. There we go. Get you a little glare there. Boom. All right, let's start opening some packs. First pack here. Wish me luck, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Get subscribed. Okay, so these are a little bricked. Oh man, let's hope that they're not too bad. Okay, come off a little easier. Not seeing any paint loss. So, might just take us a little bit. 1, 2. There we go. There we go. Man, this is going to take a while. Hopefully, these aren't all going to be like this. Series 1. As long as we get through them easily. Hopefully, from what I watched on some of the videos, I saw a lot of guys, they were pre-opening their packs, but I don't really have the patience for all that, and we're only looking for some specific cards. Alright, first pack's gone. Yeah, the video from last night, that's what I need to do from now on, just to make it, yeah, there we go. So, boom, Reggie Miller. So these are coming way easier now. Scott Williams, hoop card stuck onto him. Scottie Pippen. His cards aren't really, unless they're like the earlier years as rookies, you still don't see a whole lot of valuable Pippen cards. A lot of Bulls in this. What's going on here? Bulls and bullets, that whole box. That was kind of weird. Okay, no Michael Jordans yet. Yeah, last night I opened a whole pack of Series 2 and whole pack of Series 2, and I don't think I pulled a Jordan or a Shaq rookie till like the last 4 or 5 packs. Oh, and look at that right on front. Let's go. Michael Jordan base card. It doesn't look like it's got any flaws. Hopefully I can, yeah, it comes right off there. Okay, Horace Grant behind it too. So let me go ahead and set you right here. I'm going to send in a bunch of cards. I bought some really cool raws. And I'm thinking 1 or 2 of them at least got to come back as a 10. They were set up like the guy was going to get them graded. Ooh. See that line there? Well, we're on the board. I'm going to put that right there. Jordan. Okay, Horace Grant. Bill Cartwright. All the Bulls. B.J. Armstrong. Another Bulls Bullets pack. What on earth? This is crazy. I don't know if you guys were following that, but come on, let it go. Other than the exception of Michael Jordan, all those cards were the exact same ones as the pack previously. So that was kind of weird. Yeah, good thing our Jordan don't look like that. That Horace Grant took a big hit. That was actually the card behind it too, so it must have taken the brunt of any damage over the years. I mean, if you look at these packs, they're, you know, kind of try to get them apart before you pull them out. Okay. Just gonna kind of do these one at a time. Little checklist. Gary Grant, David Robinson. Oh yeah, very talented guy. You know, it almost looks like they had the same photographer go to just a handful. That's kind of weird looking. The guy doesn't have a jersey. What is that? Yeah, he ain't wearing. He don't have a number on his jersey. Donald Hodge. So nothing on that pack. Keep on ripping through. So yeah, the series ones I bought for $80. Oh, the guy originally was open that pack. The guy originally wanted 100, and I just told him that's not a possibility, especially with them being some brick. Luckily, they're not transferring any paint loss on the photograph. So, ooh, nice Glenn Robinson on the back. Scott Williams right there. Derek Harper. Mac Macon. You know, we're really looking for these Jordans to hopefully hit a 10. Hershey Hawkins, he was from up by me. Scott Skiles. Shackelford. Jeff Ruffline. Ryan Williams. Tyrone Corbin. Brian Shaw, probably followed up by another Miami Heat player. Man, these. Oh, there we go. Just a little pop. Well, you'll see a lot of Scottie Pippen in a lot of the pictures. I don't know why they went big Pippen on this pack. So yeah, no Shaqs in this one, but you do get the opportunity. I believe there's 3 different kinds of Jordans. Don't quote me on that. I know for sure there's 2. There's the base that we found. And then there's a sub-series. Okay, come on, baby. All right. Stacey King. Boom, another Michael Jordan. And this one doesn't have that goofy line. That's a nicer card. Just a little bit of excess paper there. Hopefully it doesn't affect it too much, but yeah, nice solid card. Let's go ahead and throw that baby in a foil. And I basically said after I opened all these boxes I just bought, these guys are all gonna get submitted. You know, if you can get a 10, you know, you're gonna make your money back that you paid for the box. Another Bulls one. Card. I bet we got some bullets behind this. Whew. yeah, right there. It's crazy. So yeah, I mean, they might have given us a bunch of these kinds of packs, but I guess it's not terrible. We're pulling Jordans. Oops. Man. Yeah, that was identical to the pack I found the Jordan in. So I'm going to switch up piles now. Let's go to this back one. We've come on finally to insert Jordans. These babies kind of love on each other a little better. There we go. Okay. Bulls player. Beach. Bullets. Okay, so probably ain't gonna be our Jordan pack. Another one behind there. Yeah, Malone. That was the same pack we just opened. Oh man, we must have missed Jordan by one. So that tells me there's probably going to be another Jordan in the next pack or two. Come off of there, you rascal. Mark Price, yeah, I knew that was the card coming next. And Toddly Gee whiz. Seems like these back cards are just the worst. I had one guy tell me I could freeze these and it would help with the bricking. So this is the craziest thing out of all the packs I bought from this guy. The one that didn't look as beat up, these are the worst cards. I mean, they're just sticking. It's okay. There's no damage. They're still looking good. I'm going to submit a bunch of these Jordans and hopefully get worst case 9, because at least a 9 Michael Jordan, you can get your money back out of the grading, plus a couple bucks of a Dominique. Cool card. Kate Willis. Robinson. Craig Elo. Okay, these back ones aren't sticking that bad. What's this last card? Clyde the Glide. Yeah, I'll tell you what, that last pack from last night, the box I opened was rough. I got some 90s Flair update. They were cheap. You guys sold them 10 or 10 bucks a piece. I mean, Charles right there on the back. Oh, it's a shame. Look how that was packed in there. Just gonna pull that off. That's a bummer. That was before he got traded. Sir Charles. Damn, it was a bummer. I had a bunch of those happening the other night too. It was like, oh cool, this is the card I'm looking for. Oh, it was the back card, so it's all dinged to shit. Manute Bol, he was a ugly, strange looking guy. Dennis Scott. Mike Brown. Finally got some Magic players. Man, good thing there's no good card in here that I was looking for, because this pack was pretty beat up. Like, wow, I'm really surprised at the quality of some of these packs. It's kind of nut with Sean Kemp there. Hopefully that one's not. And Sean Kemp's kind of one of them cards you pray for a 10. You know, if you get a 10, you're in. Okay, this pack doesn't look as bad. I'm gonna move them a little bit and see if they'll come loose. Okay. Quit sticking on me, girls. Ricky Pierce. Roy Vaughn. Gary Payton. Nice looking card. All the Sonics players apparently have Kemp's on the back. Oh, nope. Trailblazer Duckworth. There's Alonzo Mourning rookie in here, but Sean Kemp Rook. Tell you what, I'm gonna have to compare this. I'll set you right there, because you know, if I could find one or two of those and get that graded, maybe it'd be cool to hang on to a 10 Sean Kemp. I don't know, $19 to get a card grader right now is kind of, you don't really want to do all the 10 cards, but Sean Kemp seems to make money on eBay. Ugh, I hate break together cards. Okay. Glenn Rice. Ron Anderson. Okay, we're getting into some bullets. Some Sixers. Where's the Jordan at? There's another card in this pack. Can't remember the player's name. Played for the Magic. But it's got Jordan in the front playing defense, and he's got the number 12 on. And it was for whenever his jersey got stolen. And they were down there. Ooh, Pippen. Outside card, too. Little Scotty. Charles Oak. Tracy Marion, a UCLA jersey. Petrovich. Drazen. He was a beast. Preseason. See, they got these cool preseason trades. Chris Morris. Chris Dudley. Chris Mullen in the background. A lot of C's going on here. Give me something good here, baby. Oh, yeah, Mark Jackson when he was New York. No Menendez twins in the background. Ewing. Greg Anthony. Sam Bowie. Yeah, you get a lot of, you know what's crazy is I haven't even pulled one of the Pippen insert cards, which is weird. I mean, I don't really think there's a lot of value to them. This was kind of a big pimpin' pack. So, ooh, gotta hate that. But luckily, you know, with the exception of one or two cards in a pack, it keeps stuff from sliding around, and I mean, kind of keeps them kind of sharp. Larry Johnson. Bet we get Alonzo Mourning coming up. Del Curry, Steph Curry's dad. Muggsy. Remember this card, this was one of my favorite players when I was a kid. Vernon Maxwell. I mean, they're looking pretty good still. Oh, Kenny Smith, Akeem Olajuwon. Neat card. And Charles Smith. So, not a huge heater box so far, but I tell you what, I'm pretty happy with the one Jordan I've got so far. The other one's got a weird print line on it. It won't get sent in. But, you know, it's just kind of what you get when you're opening packs. But look at that guy behind. That dude is huge. Mark Eaton. Kevin Willis. Dominique. Ed Pickling. Craig Elo. Brad Daughtry. Terry Brandon. Oop, card stuck in the back. John Battle. Clyde the Glide. Yeah, that pack actually had really rough corners, so that's what you get when you buy old wax. Come on, baby. Give me some. Actually, this one's not popping, so I don't think it's stuck. Anthony Peeler on the back. Okay. See, like that card just got all banged up. Derek Coleman. Oh, that's probably, okay, well, that's good. It's part of the card and not the actual card. I thought it was missing something on the face. I was about to say boom. Robert Horry rookie card. He was a pretty good ball player. Greg McLeod, Orlando Woldridge, Joe Walker, Isaiah. Let's say they ain't gonna put a Jordan card anywhere near Isaiah. James Worley, Hall of Famer. What's going on this last card here? Oh. Anthony Peeler. Man. Well, I tell you what, I'm glad I took the chance on the Series 1. I wanted to get some different cards to send in. But Series 2 is where it's at. I got another box right there that I was going to open. Still trying to get those one Shaq inserts on that set. It's just kind of brutal. Then I've got the 90s update. Ooh, seeing Bulls players. Stacey King might have taken some damage for the rest of the team. Frank Bukowski. Jerome Kersey. Dale Davis. Okay, here comes some Bulls. Scott Williams. Scotty. Chris Jackson. John Paxton. Will Purdue. Bullets players too. Where's Jordan at? Okay. Oh, no Jordan on that one. Yeah. Reggie on the back. See, and that's just look at the corner of that. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So that one card on the back takes the whole brunt for everybody else. You just hope and pray it's not a good card, because that just a little momentum stealer. John Starks, never liked him. Obviously, I grew up as a Bulls fan. Old Tracy Murray again in his college jersey. Drazen. Stanley Roberts. Okay. Chris Morris. Chris Dudley. He always played kind of against the grain, I guess they say these days. Kind of a dirty player at times. I remember him and Shaq getting into it, and it was like, bro, Shaq's gonna beat you up. All right. This video's taking a little longer than I was expecting it to, but mainly because I can't open these damn cards. Okay, but they are coming off clean. It's good breaking them in the pack there. Joe Klein. Another card on the back. Kevin Gamble. Cliff Robinson. Rick Fox. I got a Rick Fox autograph sent to me today. Guy was supposed to send me a vintage Mickey Mantle card, and he... long story. I feel like I'm getting taken, but that's why people get out of this hobby, because he's still no Pippin inserts. I don't know if that's a good thing. I mean, maybe it is. Maybe we'll get lucky. Speak the devil. There it is right there. Let's pull that off the back. Unfortunately, it was the back card, so yeah. But yeah, that's your Scottie Pippen career highlights card. Kind of cool. I think there's 5. Actually, there's 10. I would go for a Jordan insert. There's got to be 1 or 2 in this box. I would be really surprised. About Dikembe. Luke Longley, part of that Bulls run. The Mailman. and easy, baby. Yeah. Well, Ronald Simmons. Okay. Look at that guy. We're in Lithuania. That's where all the ballers coming from. Larry Johnson. Kendall Gill. Watson. Del Curry. Muggsy. Man, these cards are rough. Otis Thorpe. Hakeem. Charles Smith. Ken Norman. Billy Owens. Sarnes. Chris Mullen, Hall of Famer. Guy always looked like a cop to me. Got a few packs left. So, two Jordans so far. Real nice Sean Kemp. I'll probably send that in to get graded. I'm just kind of hoping that, I don't get a whole bunch of poop back. All right, here we go. Kevin Johnson. Looks like an insert card on the back. We actually want that on Michael Jordan, but is what it is. So this is a newer pack I haven't seen so Vladi. West, Stockton, Jeff Malone. Adam Keefe, and the back of that, Doug West. So yeah, we really want this. We want this in a Jordan. I mean, it would be awfully nice. I'm not mad. I'm just pointing out the obvious. Hershey on the back there. Emmanuel Robinson. Craig Elo, Brad Daughtry, Terrell Brandon. Maybe sticking on there, old girl. Clyde the Glad, Mark Bryant, Paul Graham, Dwayne Farrell, Stacey Ogman, and Ricky Pierce. Oh, Lordy. Well, the way this pack's been going, or this box, man, just look at the mashed up corner on that card. Jeez. Could have saved Jordan's day. Nope, Brad Daughtry. Robert Horry rookie card. George McLeod. So yeah, I gotta go to the card shop tomorrow, get some boxes to store all these in. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I mean, I guess I could just sit on them for 20 years and maybe by then they'll all be worth $5 each. Rent and storage space. Marcus Liberty, I like that name. In this pack. Gary Payton, good sign. Good sign. Kevin Duckworth. So yeah, just for everybody that just popped in here, Flair Ultra 92-93. This is the first series, which the sleeper series, as I like to call them, because they are nothing compared to Series 2. I like that. I'm going to go ahead and set that one to the side. Pick the best one to send off. Eddie Johnson, Michael Cage, our buddy Liberty on the back, and Benjamin. Alright, baby, come on. Come on, Mike. Mike. Or the 1 in 3,000 pack auto, Scottie Pippen. Well, no auto. It is Scotty. That's number 9. Mike Brown. Grant Long. Nice and easy. We don't want, the big thing is you got to take a little extra time getting these apart. For the most part, it doesn't really damage the cards if you're careful. And you just want to make sure, you're not going in there looking for a specific card. So these are both stuck there. So I can see that that's nothing right there. And on the back here, Drazen and Tracy Murray. So it's not even worth pulling those apart. Just use a little due diligence for, cards that just don't want to naturally pop apart. I'm going to get some 2020 football this week. Maybe do a box opening, a couple blasters or something. Okay, first card. Orlando. Anthony Peeler in a Missouri jersey. Dennis. I think that's the first Rodman we've got. Actually, a nice looking card. I want to say this is like his second year in the season. Followed by Joe Dumars. Robert Patrick, Buck Johnson, Avery Johnson, Sleepy Floyd, Doc Rivers, Danny Mayer, Tim Hardaway, Chris Gatling, Buck Williams, Victor Alexander, Will Card, Robert Parrish, man, that corner's dinged up on that one, Kevin McHale, Reggie Lewis. Kind of went cold for a little while. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs left. Oh boy, Luke Longley on the back there. Dikembe. Reggie Williams. Gonna kind of start turning and burning these. Nick Anderson. There, we finally got an Alonzo Mourning rookie card. Cool. And a Barros. Okay. Joe Klein, that's a big guy. Kevin Gamble. Del Tiff, Cliff Robinson. Ron Harper. Fox. And Reggie on the end there. Another buffed up corner. Okay. Well, honestly, I feel like I'm okay. I mean, the one Jordan looks really good. I can check this on the back card, so that's a plus. David Robinson. Nice looking card. Oh. I do love that. Sounds like popping knuckles. Spud Webb. Lily B. Spud. Karl Malone. Tisdale. Simmons. Mitch Richmond. Randy White. David Bennett. Doug Smith. Fat Lever. Are you shitting me? Oh. Okay. Yeah, I was like, did I get double checklist? Actually, I did. I got 2 checklists in that one. What the heck? Oh, man. It's like popping your knuckles. Anthony Peeler, rookie. Old Dennis. Phil Lampier, Joe Mouse. Man. We started off hot. Then two Jordan base. I may just have to open one of them 90s updates too. Open one with each one of the boxes I crack open and be done with the vintage basketball for a while. Unless that guy wants to come off some of these boxes for way cheaper because these have been good. Vlade Divac. Mark West, Stockton, Jeff Malone, Sean Elliott, Adam Keefe, Billy Alonzo, rookie, not what I'm looking for, but still a nice card. And nothing serious in that pack. Man, we've only had 2 of the Scotties. One main insert. Chris Mullen. This pack's nice and straight. Tyrone Hill. Robert Pack. Buck Johnson. Avery. Card on the back there. Sleepy Floyd. What a name. Preseason trade, old Doc Rivers. Danny Manning. Tim Hardaway, rookie. Chris Gatling. Buck Williams. Victor Alexander. Robert Parrish. 3 packs left. Oh boy. Man. I must have just got really lucky with the first pack of the box of the Flair Ultras second series I got because last night's it was a pretty rough pull. The one before I got like 4 or 5 Jordans and 4 or 5 Shaqs. Ricky Pierce. Roughed up corner, Gary Payton. Nate, Derek McKay, Kevin Duckworth, Robertson, J.R. Reed, Sean Kemp, said, I'll pick the best one out of those. Might as well. I'm already getting 1 or 2 Sean Kemp cards done. Might as well get a handful of them. Okay. Oh, there's one of the Pippin cards. On the back, beat up. So 3 Pippins. Mark Jackson, Patrick, Sambo, Derek Coleman, Nets players, Robert Hurry, rookie. Who's this old boy? Orlando Woolridge, Joe Walker, Isaiah, Dave Johnson. So, alright guys, well, this pack's been kind of a gamble here. Last pack. Okay. Marcus Liberty. Ooh, that corner is so messed up. Larry Johnson. Ah, both of these corners are. Kendall Gill, Gatson, Del Curry, Muggsy, Maxwell, Kenny Smith, Hakeem, Charles Smith, and Kevin Norman. That was an awful box. I mean, that was a terrible box. It's okay though. I mean, I'm pretty sure the one good Jordan is gonna save the day. I mean, kind of has to. So, quick recap. I got 3 of the Sean Kemps here. I'm gonna compare that to a PSA 10 online and just go from there. And I got these 2 Jordans. One's got this printed line on it, which kind of, I don't know, but this one's awfully nice. So we'll compare. Still gonna probably send this one in. It looks good, and we'll see what happens. I mean, pray for a 10. Back looks pretty good. So okay, guys. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pop open one of these 90 flare updates real quick. Since there's, you know, you're really looking for one. Well, maybe 2 cards. Mind if I get a Petrovich? We'll throw that in there. But other than that, you're looking for the Gary Payton rookie card. Little bonus box, because that was such an awful break piece. Man, I thought it was going to start off promising. Flair 1990 update, 100 cards in a pack. I mean, it's a set, so you're basically not guaranteed anything, but you could be guaranteed. If that makes sense. You really need a Gary Payton rookie, and you need to line up. So I'll put some of these right there. Let's get it going. Unrailers. Trevor Wilson, D. Brown, Brian Shaw, Smith, Kendall Gill. There is no Jordan in these, by the way, so something to consider. These aren't sticking at all. These are actually in great shape. That lever. I think we're going to be coming up soon on the Gary Payton rookie card is what we really want. It really needs to be in great shape, perfect centering. It's really hard to find because obviously these boxes are like $10. So that's what every brand of dog's looking for. But I will say the cut on these actually looks pretty good. So fingers crossed. Come on, baby. Where's the Gary P? Where's the Gary P? $8. Jared call, man. Manute Bull. Man, the Sox guys must be all the way at the bottom. Yeah, okay. And it looks like it's in great shape. Dude. I mean, it kind of looks like it could be a little bit left than right. But I don't know. Let's see what the back looks like. Back looks good. So we're definitely going to probably submit this one. I don't see any print errors on it. Let's see. Any little. Yeah, that's a nice card. So cool. Actually pulled a nice shape Gary Payton rookie card. So we'll get that sleeved up, and we will talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Next, I think we're going to do another Series 2 flare. Look for that Shaq rookie insert, and then we're going to look for obviously a couple more Jordans. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.